Is it yummy, Dippy?
Yeah.
Do you need help on peeling it? Please help unpeel it for him.
I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to here. What do I do with these candles? Throw them away?
Yeah.
She's going to unpeel it.
Go.
Yum.
Yummy,
And
it's
the
in it.
candle even tasted like chocolate.
Here, let me throw this away, honey.
Ooh.
Yummy.
Like you, Doobie.
No.
Yeah, we'll get you some. Yeah.
No.
What do you think? Oops. Is it good?
Huh.
You like it?
No.
Can you say please?
At least we try on that.
Gavin.
Yeah.
Gavin, is it yummy?
Do you want a cupcake?
Yeah.
Say yes, please.
Debbie's.
Okay, we'll go get you a cupcake.
Yuppies.
What's